you looking for the past comments that you have done on Instagram? No worries. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can check the history of your past comments on Instagram. Before I begin, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight to my phone and let me show you how you can see all your comments on Instagram. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your Instagram app. Click on the bottom right, which is your profile. Just click on it. Go to the three lines at the top right. And then you can see here your activity. Click on it. Then you can see here interactions. Click on comments. And there you can see all your comments in one place. Alright, so you can select if you want to delete them. For example, you can select multiple. And then you can choose to delete or not to delete. Okay, you can even sort it by newest to oldest, by dates, all authors, or if it's shared to Facebook. Alright, so this is how you can view your previous comments on Instagram. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you and I see you next time. Goodbye.